Good morning student. Today we are going to start one new topic and topic name is hidden goodwill. And how we are going to calculate the hidden goodwill? Hidden goodwill we are going to calculate on the basis of new partner ratio. As like that, if A, B are the partner and his capital is 4 lakh and 5 lakh and C is coming in this business for 1/3 ratio and his capital is 86 lakh, then on the basis of for 1/3 new partner come with the goodwill, come with the capital of 6 lakh, so for whole capital 6 lakh into 3/1, it means 18 lakh needed. Okay beta, but total capital what we are showing in the question 5, 4, 5, 9, 6, 15 lakh only. It means the difference amount is hidden goodwill. That difference amount is hidden goodwill beta. Okay, hidden goodwill. Clear? On the basis of that we are going to solve some question. I am trying to make you understand by the solving some question. After the solving some question, we are easily understand how to calculate the hidden goodwill in the question. Okay beta? Okay. Let's start with the question of 68.
Hemant and Nishant are partners in sharing profits.
Name is what?
Hemant and Nishant.
Hemant and Nishan are partners. Okay.
In a firm, sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2.
3:2 is ratio. Next.
The capital 1,60,000
1,60,000 and
1 lakh
1 lakh. Okay beta? Okay.
respectively. They admitted Somesh as thus on 1st April 2013 as a new partner
Okay.
for 1/5 share.
For 1/5 year. Okay.
In the future profits, Somesh brought
1,20,000 is capital.
as
Okay.
capital.
On the basis of we are going to calculate the hidden goodwill. Okay. So then for S come with the 1/5 and for the 1/5 he is going to take the amount of 1,20,000. Then what is the whole amount? Full amount for one because it's a 1/5. For the 1/5 for the sharing of 1/5 the new partner is come with the 1,20,000. So for the total amount is okay for one we are going for that 1 into 120 into 5/1 it means 6 lakh. Okay beta, what amount is coming? 6 lakh. Now going to calculate hidden goodwill is equal to that 6 lakh less all the capital, and the capital is 6 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 1,20,000. 1,60,000, 1 lakh and plus 1,20,000. If any goodwill or any other profit or loss is given, that also we are going to include, because all the fund which is related with the partners we are going to include here. The difference amount is 2,20,000. Okay beta, this is the hidden goodwill. Clear? How to calculate the hidden goodwill is clear. Now we are going to take the share of new partner. So new partner share or S share 2,20,000 into 1/5 is equal to what amount is coming? 44,000. Now this goodwill distribute in old partner, it means H and N in his sacrificing ratio. No special ratio is given, then directly we are going to just introduce this ratio. Then first entry we are doing for that, it's not needed. The entry is cash account debit to S capital to goodwill, but they are not needed here only. So here we are only going to do the entry for this distribution of this goodwill beta. Okay, only the entry for distribution of this goodwill. Then goodwill account debit, it's come with the cash. If come with the cash then goodwill, if not come with the cash then current account. C is current account to H capital and to N capital beta. Okay, then 44,000 divide in 3:2. Then just check, 44,000 is 3 upon 5, 44,000 2 upon 5. What amount is coming? 8 times 44, 8 times. Okay, then 0 0 8 into 3 4, 2 remain, 8 into 24 and 2 26. Okay, here 0 0 8 16 1 16 and 17. It's came beta. Just see, 26,400, 26,400 and 17,600. Just check in the question. It's coming beta. This is the way by which, by this system we are going to calculate the hidden goodwill and then going to do the entries. Okay beta, clear? Clear? Okay, I am going for the one more question, one or two more question. Then you are easy to clear these things. Okay beta? Okay, just see, it's clear na beta? Okay, now we are going for the next. Okay, tell me the next question.
Haseen and Shreya are partners in a firm. They are
Haseen and
Haseen and
Haseen, A.
Shreya
Shreya, okay?
are partners in a firm. They admit Ajay as a new partner with 1/5 share.
1/5 share.
Ajay brings 5 lakh as the share of capital. They value the total assets of the firm was 1,15,000.
Assets of the firm 15,000. 15 lakh actually. 15 lakh. And liability is given 5 lakh beta. But no use of this liability. Okay? On the basis of this, Ajay, we are going to calculate whole capital or required full capital for 1/5 5 lakh. So for 5 lakh into 5 upon 1, it means 25 lakh we are needed, but we have the 15 lakh assets. 15 lakh, this assets is equal to liability side beta na. This assets is the equal to liability side. Is to clear beta or not? It's clear or not? Clear na? Then hidden goodwill is equal to 25 lakh less 15 lakh. Okay, then hidden goodwill 10 lakh. Okay, then share of Ajay goodwill, it means 10 lakh into 1 upon 5, 2 lakh. If he is coming with the cash or not? Anything telling about the cash?
Ajay brings 5 lakh.
Ajay brings 5 lakh. And goodwill? Goodwill is coming with the cash or not? Anything given about the goodwill?
And the capital value for 15 lakh and also liabilities.
Nothing. Then this time we are going to take the current account. Okay? With the current account. To C's current account, C is Ajay. Current account debit to A capital and to S capital. This 2 lakh going to distribute. What is the ratio? The ratio of old partner is given or not? See? The ratio of old partner is given or not? No ratio is there?
No ratio.
Nothing about the ratio. Read the question again.
Haseen and Shreya are partners in a firm. They meet Ajay as new partner with 1/5 share of profit in a firm. Ajay brings 5 lakh as his share capital. The value of the total assets of the firm is 15 lakh and the outside liabilities were valued 5 lakh on the date. Give the necessary journal entry to record goodwill at the time of Ajay's admission. Also show your.
Okay, if any information is not given, then we are going to distribute equally. It means old ratio is what? Equal. Okay, beta? Old ratio is equal. On the basis of that, we are going to distribute this goodwill. Okay, beta. Now I am going to take one more question. By that you are more easy to understand how to calculate the goodwill. Just ignore the next question. Go for the next. Ignore the one question. Go for the next. After the ignoring. Question number 70. Okay.
A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1:1. Their respective capitals were A 3 lakh, B 2 lakh, C 1,80,000.
Okay, beta. This is the capital, beta. Okay. Ratio 2:1:1 and then capital 3 lakh, 2 lakh and 1,80,000.
On the 1st April 2018, they admit B as a new partner. They D brought 2 lakh for his capital and necessary amount of a share of goodwill premium. The new profit sharing ratio between A, B and C will be 1:2:1:2. No, 1:2:1:1.
This is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. First we are going to calculate the what? Going to calculate the goodwill. Okay, hidden goodwill. Then we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio because new ratio is given, beta. When the new ratio is given in the question, then we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So first we are going to calculate the goodwill for 1/5. 1 to 1/5. It means 1/5. For the 1/5, D will come with the 2 lakh. For the whole one, 2 lakh into 5/1. It means 10 lakh. Okay, beta? 10 lakh. Then hidden goodwill is equal to 10 lakh minus 3 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 180 plus 2 lakh. Okay? 2, 2, 4, 3, 7, 8, 80. 880 less from the 10, it means 120 is hidden goodwill. Okay, clear? Now we are going to calculate the share of D goodwill. It means 1,20,000 into 1/5 because 1/5 is the share of partner, beta. 1/5. What amount is coming? 24,000. Okay, beta. This 24,000 divide in A, B and C in his sacrificing ratio. So first we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Okay, and sacrificing ratio is equal to what? Old minus new. Old minus new. Or plus minus you are using new minus old. Using the new minus old. If positive, then gain, less than sacrifice. So new is what? For A, 1/5 minus 2/4. For B, 2/5 minus 1/4. For C, 1/5 minus 1/4. 24 times 4 1 ja 4. 5 times 10. Okay, beta? 4 times 4 1 ja 4 and then. Okay, clear? 1/5. 1/5 is the ratio. Okay, beta? 1/5 is the new ratio and old is 2/5. Old is 2/4. Okay, beta? Then 2/5 minus 1/4. Then 1/5 minus 1/4. Then 5 4 ja 4. 4 5 ja 2. Then next 20. 5 4 ja 8 and 10. Okay? Again 5 ja 5. Next again 20. Then 5 4 ja and 4 5 ja. It means minus 6/20, 3/20 and 1/20. Who is the minus? They are sacrificing and he is gaining. These two are sacrificing and he is gaining. Okay, beta? Who is gaining? They are going to take more goodwill. They are going to take more goodwill because he is gaining, beta. Again, I like to repeat. The new partner goodwill only using or taking by the old partner. That partner is sacrificing his risk. If gaining, then means the old partner also come with the new goodwill. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the goodwill for the 1/5. For the 1/5, is ratio 1/5 is coming with a goodwill of 24,000. Okay. Then for 320 into 24,000 into 5/1. Okay. 4, 6. It means 18,000. Okay. It means 18,000. Now B also come with the goodwill of 18,000. B also come with the goodwill of 18,000. Then we are going to make the entry for that. And entry is goodwill account debit, B capital account debit to A capital and to C capital. Okay, beta? Now 24,000, 18,000, these total are divided into 6:1. 6:1. Okay, beta? The total amount is 42,000. 42,000 into 6/7, 36, and 6, 1 is 6. It means 36,000 and 6,000. By this ratio, by the doing of this entry, we are just finishing this question. Okay, beta? On this basis, question is finished or not? Okay, clear? First, calculate the hidden goodwill. Okay, then sacrificing and gaining ratio, and then after entry. Clear? Okay, beta? Clear? First, what? First, we are going to calculate goodwill, hidden goodwill, then sacrificing or gaining ratio, then entry. Okay? Clear? Next, we are going to just see one more question, and then we are going to close this video. And in next video, we are going to take some more topic, more heading. But one more question I like to explain for the same topic. By that, you are well understand all the things. Okay, beta. Now we are going to take one more question, and that by the utilizing of these all questions, I am only trying to make you all understand how to solve if hidden goodwill case will come in that question. Okay, beta? Only this is my objective for the solving of these all questions. Okay? Now I am going to take one more question. By that, try to make you understand how to solve this case of hidden goodwill. Okay, beta? Next question.
Following figures have been extracted from the book of X and Y, who shared profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3.
The ratio is 7:3. Okay?
X capital is 3 lakh,
X capital 3 lakh,
Y is 1,50,000.
1,50,000. Okay?
Reserve is 1,60,000.
Okay, it's given like that, beta. Right, like that. And now we are going for the reserve.
Is 1,60,000.
1,60,000.
Profit and loss account is 40,000.
Profit and loss 40,000.
Yes.
Okay.
And advertisement expenditure is 10,000.
Advertisement suspense or only expenditure
Expenditure.
10,000. Okay. On the basis of that. Okay. Next.
On this day, Z for 1/5 share and the new partner sharing ratio agreed at 3:1:1.
New ratio is 3:1:1 beta. Okay.
हाँ.
New ratio is 3:1:1.
Z brings 3 lakh as capital.
3 lakh. Good. The capital of Z is 3 lakh. Okay. So first we are going to calculate the hidden goodwill. How do we calculate? Just for 1/5 3 lakh. Okay. For 1/5 3 lakh. So then 3 lakh into 5/1, it means 15 lakh. Okay. Then hidden goodwill is equal to 15 lakh less. We are taking these all and less this amount because it's the expense. Okay, beta. These all the liabilities amount, but it's the expense. So are we going to just deduct this amount? Are showing like that. 3 lakh plus 1,50,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 40,000 less 10,000. Okay, beta. Then what amount is coming? 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 50,000, 6 lakh, 40,000. It means 15 lakh, 6 lakh, 40,000. Okay. Then remaining amount is after this. Okay, beta. And then plus new partner capital 3 lakh. Okay. Then 5,60,000 is remaining. Okay, beta. 9,40,000 less from 15 lakh. That amount is 5,60,000. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the ratio of Z, share of Z. 5,60,000 into 1/5, 1, 1 and 2, 000, 1,12,000 rupees the share of Z. Okay, beta. 1,12,000 rupees of share of Z. Now we are going to distribute this amount in old partner, but before the distributing, first we are going to calculate what? Sacrificing ratio of X and Y. Again, new minus old. New is for X 3/5 minus 7/10. For Y 1/5 minus 3/10. Okay, 10 2 times 6 minus 7 and 10 2 times 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. 2 times 2 10 1. Okay. It means 1/10 and 1/10. 1/10 and 1/10 in minus. So it means it's a sacrificing because 3 2 times 6. Okay. 1 2 times 2. It means no one is gaining. So we are easily distributing the 1:1 because sacrificing ratio is this only. Okay, beta. So then goodwill account debit to X capital to Y capital. X capital to Y capital. Amount is 1,12,000. Difference 0,000. 56,000. Okay, beta. Divide by 2. 5 times and 6 times. 5 times 10. 56,000. Okay. Both are getting 56,000. Okay, beta. Clear? First we are using the all head which is related with the balance sheet, and then we are using the 3 lakh of his capital, beta. Okay. First we are using the old partner's capital and assets and expense, then we are going to use this 3 lakh. Okay, beta. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, beta. Clear or not? It's clear, beta. By this I am trying to make you understand this hidden goodwill. Okay, thank you.